Welcome to our cooking program at Le Moulin Brejon. My name is Chef Kathryn Gordon. Le Moulin Brejon is a country luxe hotel set in the palatial terrain of the western Loire Valley in France. I have been leading a cooking program at this charming inn for 20 years. We hope you join us for this truly unique and immersive experience. When you arrive at Le Moulin Brejon, you will immediately feel surrounded by history and tradition, rich in artisan culinary skills, honed over centuries. The hotel itself was lovingly converted from a historic wheat mill. With stunning countryside views in every direction, experience firsthand time-honored food processing techniques and cooking methods in an original farm-to-table setting. Together, we explore the Loire Valley, talk to farmers, and learn about fresh, local ingredients. Many of the farms we visit offer unique insight into the origins of French cuisine, including the world-renowned Fleur de Sel marshes in Guérande. We also talk to wine producers, sparkling and still, and enjoy a wine tasting after touring the fermentation caves the region is famous for. Our cooking and baking classes are hands-on and feature local, seasonal produce. The chefs at Le Moulin Brejon cook mostly with organic ingredients and grow their own vegetables and herbs in their garden along the river and in the nearby countryside. After each full day of touring, cooking, and dining, paired with local wines, you will be able to enjoy a restful night's sleep in one of the charming guest rooms at Le Moulin Brejon. I have led a cooking and baking class at Le Moulin Brejon basically every year since I met Jonathan, Pascal, and Bernard. This year, we celebrate 20 years of friendship and being open to guests with the first Le Moulin Brejon cookbook. We'd like you to be able to cook some of the delicious, simple recipes from Le Moulin Brejon at home. Or better yet, come to France.